For sale at Classic Auto Mall is this Marina Blue 1967 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport with a worked 400 horsepower, 350 cubic inch V8, backed by a Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission and a 10-bolt rear end. It has Flowmaster dual exhaust, disc brakes in the front, and drums in the rear. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.